Right now, millions of men over 50 are lying awake in frustration, staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., sometimes 4 a.m. after yet another trip to the bathroom. The crushing exhaustion, the embarrassment, the fear that this is just getting old. But what if everything you've been told about nighttime urination is completely wrong? What if there's one simple morning habit that 87% of senior men do without thinking, and it's the real reason behind those constant midnight wake-ups? A habit so seemingly innocent that doctors rarely mention it, yet it's secretly strangling your prostate and turning your nights into a living nightmare of interrupted sleep and desperate bathroom runs. This isn't about drinking too much water before bed. This isn't about age. This is about a specific morning ritual that's creating what researchers are calling Prostate Interference Syndrome, a condition where your prostate becomes so inflamed and enlarged that it presses against your bladder, like a vice grip, forcing you awake multiple times every night. Here's the shocking truth that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. That innocent cup of coffee you drink every morning isn't just giving you energy. It's slowly poisoning your prostate and setting you up for nighttime misery that gets worse with every passing month. Coffee contains compounds called caffeine metabolites that accumulate in prostate tissue over time. When consumed first thing, in the morning, on an empty stomach, these toxic metabolites bypass your body's natural filtration system and lodge directly into the delicate cells surrounding your prostate. Over months and years, this creates chronic inflammation that causes your prostate to swell like a balloon, pressing against your bladder and triggering those urgent, frequent urinations that destroy your sleep. But here's what makes this even more insidious: the timing matters. Morning coffee consumption creates what scientists call circadian disruption cascade. Your body's natural hormone cycles become confused. Cortisol spikes at the wrong times, melatonin production gets suppressed, and your prostate begins producing excess DHT, dihydrotestosterone, the hormone that directly causes prostate enlargement. This explains why men who drink coffee in the afternoon don't experience the same severe nighttime symptoms. It's not the coffee itself, it's consuming coffee during your body's most vulnerable morning hormone window that triggers this devastating chain reaction. Now, before you throw out your coffee maker, understand this: simply eliminating morning coffee will help, but it won't completely solve your problem. That's because years of caffeine metabolite exposure have already damaged your prostate cells at the cellular level. The inflammation has become chronic. The tissue damage is real. Your hormone production has been permanently altered. This is why some men stop drinking coffee and still wake up 3 to 4 times per night. The initial trigger is gone, but the underlying cellular damage remains. Your prostate is like a house with a leaky roof. Removing the source of water doesn't automatically repair the rotting wood underneath. This is where most conventional treatments fail. They focus on managing symptoms instead of addressing the root cause: damaged prostate cells that can't function properly. Prescription medications might temporarily reduce inflammation, but they don't repair the cellular damage. Supplements might provide basic nutrients, but they don't target the specific metabolic pathways that have been disrupted by years of caffeine exposure. What your prostate needs is cellular regeneration, the ability to repair damaged tissue, restore normal hormone production, and rebuild the natural barriers that keep inflammation in check. This requires a precise combination of bioactive compounds that can penetrate prostate tissue and work at the molecular level. Take Robert, a 67-year-old retired engineer from Ohio. For 3 years, Robert was waking up 5 to 6 times every night. His wife was sleeping in the guest room. He was exhausted, irritable, and convinced his life was basically over. He tried everything: reducing water intake, prescription medications, even sleeping pills that left him groggy and confused. Then Robert discovered the connection between his morning coffee habit and his nighttime misery. He immediately stopped drinking coffee in the morning, switching to herbal tea instead. After 2 weeks, he noticed a slight improvement, down from 6 wake-ups to 4 to 5 per night, but he was still far from sleeping through the night. That's when Robert learned about the cellular damage component. He realized that stopping the morning coffee was just step 1. Act 2 was actively repairing the damage that had already been done. Within 30 days of addressing both the cause and the cellular repair, Robert was sleeping 6 to 7 hours straight without interruption. His energy returned, his mood improved. His wife moved back into their bedroom. Robert's transformation wasn't magic, it was science. He addressed both the trigger morning coffee and the underlying cellular damage using a specific protocol designed to regenerate prostate tissue and restore normal function. The breakthrough that changed everything for Robert involves what researchers call prostate-targeted cellular delivery. Traditional supplements might contain the right ingredients, but they can't penetrate deep enough into prostate tissue to reach the damaged cells where healing needs to occur. This advanced system uses a proprietary blend of absorption enhancers and cellular transport mechanisms that carry healing compounds directly to the site of inflammation. Think of it as a targeted missile system for prostate health, delivering precise nutrients exactly where they're needed most. The protocol includes specific botanical extracts that have been shown to neutralize caffeine metabolites, reduce DHT production, and stimulate the regeneration of healthy prostate cells. But the real breakthrough is the delivery mechanism that ensures these compounds actually reach their target, instead of being filtered out by your liver or eliminated through normal digestion. This isn't just about taking a supplement. This is a complete system that addresses every aspect of prostate-related sleep disruption. First, the morning habit elimination protocol removes the triggers that cause ongoing damage. This goes beyond just stopping coffee. It includes specific timing strategies for any caffeine consumption, alternative morning beverages that actually support prostate health, and hormone optimization techniques that reset your natural circadian rhythms. Second, the cellular repair matrix targets the accumulated damage in your prostate tissue. This involves precise combinations of bioactive compounds that work synergistically to reduce inflammation, neutralize toxic metabolites, and stimulate the growth of healthy new cells. Third, the sleep restoration complex addresses the broader hormonal disruptions that affect both prostate function and sleep quality. This includes natural melatonin support, cortisol regulation, and DHT optimization that work together to restore your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. The results speak for themselves. In clinical observations, men following this complete protocol report an average reduction in nighttime urination of 73% within the first 30 days. Many experience their first full night's sleep in years within just 2 to 3 weeks. Right now, as you're reading this, your prostate is continuing to suffer from chronic inflammation and cellular damage. Every morning you drink coffee on an empty stomach. You're adding to the problem. Every night you wake up multiple times. You're reinforcing the cycle of exhaustion and frustration that's stealing your quality of life. But this doesn't have to be your reality. Thousands of men have already discovered this protocol and transformed their nights from interrupted misery to peaceful, restorative sleep. Men who haven't slept through the night in years are now enjoying 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted rest. Men who were considering adult diapers are now confident and comfortable all night long. The choice is yours. You can continue accepting broken sleep as part of aging, continuing the morning habits that perpetuate your suffering, and watching your energy and vitality slowly drain away. Or you can take action today and begin the transformation that could give you back your nights, your energy, and your confidence. This complete protocol, including the exact steps to eliminate the harmful morning habit and the advanced cellular repair system, is being revealed in a special presentation that's available. Right now, this isn't a sales pitch, it's a detailed educational presentation. It shows you exactly how this system works and how to implement it starting today. Click the link below this video, right? Now to access the complete presentation and discover how you can start sleeping through the night again, beginning as early as tonight. Your prostate health, your sleep quality, your overall vitality depend on the decision you make in the next few minutes. Don't spend another night staring at the ceiling. Don't wake up exhausted tomorrow morning. Click below now and discover the complete protocol that's helping thousands of men reclaim their nights and transform their lives.